In Little Footprints Preschool, our various specialized programs nurture young minds and cultivate strong traits and values to set the foundation for our leaders of tomorrow. TikTok It's Time to Talk is a show and tell program that allows children to present confidently in front of their peers to reinforce their oral and public speaking skills. Librarians Code consists of two sub-programs, Born Through Reading and Reader to Leader. Born Through Reading encourages families to come together to bond through literacy. Children can borrow books in school and creatively journal their thoughts after reading. Reader to Leader enhances the children's reading ability and develops their reading confidence and interest. Our Fun Fitness program hones children's gross motor and perceptual skills. Vitamin C is a character-building program that aims to cultivate children into civic-minded and resilient individuals. With endless possibilities to learn and grow, our children's preschool years are made fun and enjoyable here at Little Footprints Preschool.